Two extremely old and weak stray dogs who were siblings were found in a terrible condition. They lived in a hostile neighborhood where even dog feeders were not allowed to care for them. Both the dogs were rescued and rushed to the hospital, but sadly one of them passed away. The other dog, Eva, was treated, but she needed round-the-clock care to survive. So we admitted her to the VOSD Hospice for end-of-life care. For the first time in many years, the poor dog was in a safe environment. She was extremely weak, so we started her on a high-protein diet and the VOSD Joint Supplements hidden in treats to cure her arthritis. Due to her age and weakness, we've made her wear a jacket to keep her warm. And now Eva is free to explore her new home. With the best geriatric care at VOSD, Eva will be healthy again very soon.